Attack, Cadence. Throw it in her face. Smash it in her face. No, Cadence. Push this in her face. Do it. Smash it on her. Attack her. Cadence, slap her. Hit her, Cadence, hit her. Attack, Cadence, attack. Smash it on her. I have the dog. Not at me. Here, smash it on her face. Go smash this on her face. Yeah. Smack her, Cadence. Kick her. Kick her. Kick her. Get her.
That child has issues.
Why are you eating it?
Should I see how it tastes?
It does taste very good.
Is it like a kid too?
Put your hands in here. Come on, put your hands in here. It won't hurt. Just put your hands in here. One hand in there. One hand in there.
Smack her.
You're under arrest.
Hit her. Cadence, kick her. Kick her, Cadence. Kick her.
Off with you I go.
Hit her. Hit her right in the back. Yeah, punch her. Punch her.
I'm taking her away.
Hit her, Cadence. Go. Why do you have a sock in your mouth? Hit her, Cadence. Hit her. Hit her. Keep resisting. Don't open the oven.
Leave it closed.
My other test subject ran.
I think that is not yours, Cadence.
Thank you.